Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I am planning for the week of August 25th to October 1st, 2023. I'm using a vertical layout and I'm using the Seasonal Flowers sticker book. I'm using this kind of like fall section. It has a lot of like really dark deep purple and browns and kind of like rose-ish pink. So very fall. So I'm really excited about that. I'm doing one of my favorite things that I like to do, which is border the entire layout or the entire spread with all of the stickers. So just going around and trying to space them out and leave no section untouched. So I like to have legitimately the entire border covered. So I, at the beginning, covered up all of the days of the weeks and then all of the numbers. And then you'll see at the end what I normally like to do. So if you guys have seen me do this before, then you know what I'm going to, end up filling it in with. But at the beginning, it's just when I'm doing the borders. So enough of that. Once I pull out all of the stickers and I do the whole border, then I'll put down the numbers. I like to use it from the Planner Basics sticker value pack. It's the mini one. So just specifically the mini has these huge numbers. So they're my favorite, and because they are on clear sticker backs, then they layer perfectly over any kind of border that I normally like to do. So it just works out perfectly. So I have a lot of 31s. So that actually ended up working out because I could just trim a 3 off. But anyway, now that the border's done, the numbers are done, I'm going to go in and put down some boxes like specifically for different things that are happening. So for instance, my husband is going to Houston this week for work, so I put down that sticker for early in the morning. I think the flight leaves at like 5 in the morning or something. And then gonna go in and put down a couple other little boxes, and these circles are super fun, so I wanted to find a spot for that. So just kind of sticking them down. I know this week that I have family coming into town, so like while my husband's gone, so I definitely know that I'm gonna be doing fun things. So I know I'm going to use these boxes, but I don't necessarily have like a specific day. So I'm just tentatively sticking these boxes down and or circles, and then a couple little quotes, and then it's pretty much it. As the week goes on and I fill things in, then I always like move things around as I see fit. But that's pretty much going to be it. This was a pretty quick one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you like these kind of florals. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.